this pocket knife that can turn it into a box just by doing a couple of steps. Now it's gonna turn into a box. And then, and then teach you how to make it. And then you're gonna first fold like this. And then open it, then do this. And open up and then do this. And then do a horizontally fold. When you're done with that, open these and then just put that. And then when you're done with that, flip it over. I go real so fast. And then do this. And then just open this and then go like this. Then fold this down and then open up. Open these up and then just rectangle shape like this. Flip it over. Do the same thing. This. And then fold down. That is gonna be, and then fold like this. Then fold here, here, here. Turn it over here. And then you have your box. So your box is here. And your pocket knife is like this. Fold this flap up. And then fold this like this. And then there's a knife. Then you fold these two like that. And now it's a pocket knife. Thank you for watching, guys. And make sure to click the like button if you don't have it. And click the subscribe button the same if you haven't. Because this YouTube channel is getting 2 subscribers. Just lying. Got like 1,000 million subscribers. Just kidding. But subscribe to my channel if you haven't too. If you don't, this battery is going to electrify you at night. Bye-bye. Just bye-bye. Thank you for watching. And then help to click the subscribe button. Like the like button.